Hello, welcome to 100 Heart Chakra Affirmations. Let's begin. I deeply love and accept myself. I am worthy of unconditional love. My heart is open to receiving love. I treat myself with compassion and kindness. I honor my feelings with gentleness. I deserve a life filled with love and harmony. I forgive myself completely. Love flows to me and through me. I am gentle with my heart. I allow myself to receive love freely. I send love to everyone around me. My heart radiates compassion and warmth. I treat others with kindness and understanding. I forgive others and release resentment. I connect with others from a place of love. I see the good in people. My relationships are loving and balanced. I spread love wherever I go. I offer love without expectations. I open my heart to meaningful connections. I release all emotional wounds with love. I let go of pain and embrace healing. I choose peace over suffering. It is safe for me to heal my heart. I allow myself to feel and release old emotions. I am healing more each day. I release the past and live in the present. I choose forgiveness over bitterness. My heart grows softer and stronger every day. I am open to emotional transformation. I'm a vessel for compassion. I approach life with empathy and grace. I radiate kindness effortlessly. My heart is filled with patience and understanding. I honor the humanity in others. I send loving energy to all beings. I nurture the love within me. Love is my natural state. I meet others with an open and compassionate heart. I embody unconditional love. My heart is a sanctuary of peace. I choose calmness in all situations. Peace flows through every part of my being. I trust the flow of life. My heart is aligned with the energy of harmony. Each breath fills me with serenity. Love and peace guide my actions. I am connected to the gentle rhythm of life. The love in my heart creates harmony around me. I am a beacon of peace and love. I express love with confidence and clarity. My words come from the heart. I communicate with honesty and compassion. I listen with love and understanding. My heart guides my speech and actions. I express affection freely and joyfully. I speak the language of love. I show appreciation openly and sincerely. Love is the essence of everything I do. I choose loving responses over reactive ones. I feel deeply connected to all beings. I honor the interconnectedness of life. I am part of something greater than myself. I am connected to the universal love that surrounds me. My heart is open to divine love. I attract loving and supportive relationships. I see the divine within everyone. I honor the sacredness of all living things. My heart energy uplifts the world around me. Love unites me with others. Love flows to me in abundance. I am surrounded by love in all forms. The universe mirrors the love I give. My heart expands with every breath. I'm a magnet for loving experiences. I receive love with gratitude. I trust in the infinite supply of love. My life is abundant with love and connection. I welcome unconditional love into my life. My heart overflows with gratitude. I trust the wisdom of my heart. It is safe for me to open my heart. I embrace vulnerability as strength. I am balanced in giving and receiving love. My heart is open, healthy, and whole. I trust love to guide me. I embrace emotional balance and honesty. I honor my boundaries with love. I feel safe being my true self. I open my heart to new possibilities. I am love in all form. I am connected to the divine heartbeat of the universe. My heart shines with pure light. I radiate unconditional love from within. I am aligned with the highest vibration of love. My heart chakra glows with emerald and pink light. Divine love flows through me endlessly. I am guided by love in every moment. I trust the universe with an open heart. I am love, I give love, and I receive love. Thank you so much for being part of this video. Until next time, bye-bye.